was thinking of, I'm going to walk you guys back in, and then I'll have to get this other helicopter ready. I got to untie it and get it ready to go. And I'll come back in and get you guys on the fly. So it'll be just a minute or two here. What happened? Yep, everything's gonna come off here.
Come out?
Yep, come on out.
You won't be taking that bird, huh?
Not tonight. I don't know what happened. It's probably just a false knife, but I can't take off with it.
What kind of caution is it, if you mind me asking?
It was an engine chip.
Oh. We won't be flying that one.
Thank God.
Fuck.
That'll happen when we drive it up there. I'd take a chance. I'd take a chance.
Away, Bob.
I'm getting excited to take off, you.
Fuck it, I'd take a chance.
Fuck. We won't be flying that bird.
Come on in.
Alrighty.
Yes.
Better be safe than sorry, huh?
Yeah, like I said, you know,
Yep.
tell them it's, you know, it could be anything. It could be a fake light, or it could be.
Yep.
So. Better be on the ground than up there.
Exactamente.
Let me put you guys in, and then I'll come get you guys in a few minutes. All right?
Okay. Ah, heat.
That was the fastest flight.